Hey guys, so this is the new calming bed from Abbyspace, and this is Magic. And today I'm just gonna do a little review of these two beds that were sent to me free by the company to give a try. And I'll give you my honest review of them and what we think of them. You can find a link in the description for how to order them, and we will make a small commission off of each bed we sell, and you'll get a 15% discount. Check it out. Little unboxing video here. Didn't know what it was. And the dogs were sure interested. Well, Great Danes are helping me out. Give me a second. I gotta let it hang on.
Don't want a goofy poodle with a pedigree. No whiny, wimpy little pooch. Don't you see? A great big dog's the only one for me. Then I'll be doing alright. Well, I got him back when he was just a pup. Way back then I could pick him up. Now he barely fits into my pickup truck.
What Finn does.
Yeah, but he's doing alright. And it's a great day.
Shape, and then see if you want to get in it. Oh, it's the calming bed. It's the calming bed. Oh, you're fighting over it. Oh, Finn is loving it. Oh, don't worry. There's one for Magic too. Ships in this tiny, tiny, tiny package. So here's the size of the package it comes in. Oh, you're all curious. Okay, here's the next one. Wait a minute. It's like a pizzeria. Let me get the stuffing. Hang on. Come on. Who's going to lay on this bed? Oh, he likes them both. This is the extra large, certainly big enough. We've already seen the dogs enjoy the round beds and curl up into little balls. I want to show you some of the features of these beds, that they've got a washable aspect to them, which is really nice. Under here we have a zip out feature. Lets you take out all the stuffing. And once you pull all the bedding out, you'll be able to wash the cover, which is a great feature. So it's got two internal pockets, one to remove the bedding and one to remove the bolster. So the calming bed from Abbyspace, they're like, I think $26.90, and at that price, it's not bad. It's got a nice soft cover, but not a lot of padding. But the dogs will pick their best spot. The calming dog bed. Look how calm Finn is. Oh my God, it's been a half hour. And really, seriously, never seen him so calm. Okay, that's gonna do it today from Magic and Finn, checking out the new calming dog beds from Abbyspace. There is a link in the description where you can get 15% off your beds. Also, everything you purchase, we do get a small commission, so that helps give these dogs more treats and food and beds. And we thank you for watching. Have a great day.